I just want to say, obviously, what an honour it has been to represent this country, to play in front of the best fans in the world. You've supported me and my family and all the team through the lows of the lows, the highs of the highs. I can't thank you enough, and honestly, it's been the biggest pleasure playing in front of you for my whole career, and obviously I'm going to miss playing in front of you, but make sure you keep supporting the boys. You, the fans, are Welsh football. You make it so special. You make it what it is today, and yeah, obviously I'll be cheering on like you lot, and hopefully see you soon in the future, so thank you.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Viva!